Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Ggives in Grab Foods. If you want to do this, so let's follow this video till the end. Open your Grab application, select the Grab food icon on your browse restaurant and place your order. When you're ready to check out, select Gcash. So as you can see here, Gcash is available in Grab, so you will easily able to do so. And choose the Gcash as your payment option and select your preferred installment plan, for example 6, 12 months or 18 months or 24 months. It's completely up to you. Make sure to read the terms because that's very important. Enter the OTP sent to your registered mobile number to verify the transaction, and your GrabFood order is now paid for using Ggives. You will receive a confirmation receipt in the app, and Ggives offer flexible installment plan from 6 months to 12 4 months with the option to pay in full articles full after 14 days with no interest. Your Ggive spending limits depend on your Gshores or Gcash profile with a minimum of 1000 to maximum of like 25,000. Right, so this is it guys. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.